Hello everyone, this is Himlatabet and welcome back to my class. Today in this video we would study about more on describing words. In early classes we knew about describing words, isn't it? So let's recap. Describing words are those words that tell us more about naming words. And what are naming words? Naming words are the names of places, things, persons, and we put describing words before naming words always. Okay. In this lesson we would know that the colors name and the numbers, they all are describing words, and even the taste of our food is describing word. How? I like sweet candies. The candies are sweet. So sweet is a describing word. Spicy, sour. Okay. Then they all are the taste of our food. So the taste of our food is also a describing word. So in this way you can see the all words written in red color. They all are describing words because they tell us more about our naming word. Heavy bag, empty box, prickly cactus, fresh fruits. So while we get some exercises and when we have to find out the describing words, firstly we have to find out the naming words in the sentences, and then we have to try to understand what could be describing words. Here we have some describing words for persons. So whenever you are given any person's name, like your friends or anyone, but that should be person, they should be person, you can describe them using these describing words. As if I am asking to describe your friend, and your friend is Ritam. So Ritam is a boy. So Ritam is young, Ritam has a pretty face, or Ritam is a lazy boy. In this way we will describe our person. I am reading a good book. So we have to find out the naming word. Naming word are the names of places, things or persons. So here book is the naming word. Book, before book, good. How is the book? Good book. So good is the describing word. What a lovely day. Day is the naming word. And lovely before day, lovely. So lovely would be describing word. The house has strong walls. Walls, house, both are naming words. But strong walls, you can see this is a naming word and before it we have strong. That is means strong walls. Strong would be describing word. So in the sentence we may get more than one naming word or more than one describing word, but we have to try to understand what could be the correct answer. Okay. Now move to the page number 32. We have some describing words in the grid box and we have to choose the right one for each. Okay. So as I taught you that the colors and the numbers are also said to describe people and things. So red, blue, they all are used to describe the naming words. Dress, eyes. So red, blue, white, black, brown, grey, they all are describing words. Let's know about the numbers. Yes, 5, 6, 2, they all are describing words. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, even 1 also, because I have one pencil, then 1. So the numbers are also describing words. Lipika has brown hair. This is the color green. Okay, so number 2, they all are describing words. Red bangles from the shop. You can see what are naming words here? Usha, bangles, shop. We have 3 naming words. As I taught you that we may get more than one naming words in a sentence, but we have to find out the describing words that is placed before the naming word. So bangles are red, the color. This is the describing word. Let's take number 12. Please give me 3 boiled eggs. Here eggs are describing word. Okay, naming words, eggs, and this is describing word, boiled, and 3 also. So we have 2 describing word, boiled eggs. So eggs are boiled, okay, or 3 boiled eggs. So here will be 2 describing words. Because if there is only boiled eggs, then how is the eggs? The eggs are boiled. How are the eggs? Eggs are boiled. So boiled is describing word. And how many eggs? 3 eggs. So in this way we have 2 describing words. So both colors and numbers tell us more about our naming words. Now we would move to the last page. Again we have some options in the grid box. We have to choose the right one for each. Okay. Fill in the blanks to describe your friend. Here we have to use some describing words for person because we are going to describe our friend. And we have got some describing words here. You may take help from this grid box also. These all are describing words for person. So firstly, here he / she / he are given. That is mean your friend can be he or she. So if you have a she friend, then you will start with she, then put a tick mark on she. If you have a he friend, then you will start with he and then put a tick mark on he. Okay. So I am starting with she. She is my friend. She is my good friend. You can write good friend, bad friend, best friend you like. Okay. In this way we have to put the useful describing words before the naming word. Okay. So this is our lesson, and here one thing to remind you again, that describing words are always placed before naming words, and the color's name, the number's name, even the taste of our food, they all are describing words. They are used to tell more about our naming words. Okay, thank you.